So guys, this is my bike fully loaded. So got the tank bag on with all my essentials, got the TomTom rider, the instructions, and just went for the two rear panniers. I don't like having the top box on, to be honest. So we've got my tent and the sleeping bag strapped down. So yeah, we're going to be camping most of this. So awesome. So stay tuned guys and enjoy an awesome little holiday. How do you feel, Ben?
Much better after that wrap.
Tell us what you're looking forward to.
The whole experience, I think. The camping side is definitely going to be fun. The long days, the achievements we get there. Never been to Edinburgh, never been to Scotland. Get a picture for
For a video. Made it to the campsite, boys. First trip. What you got to say, Brad?
Oh, mate, love it.
Love it. Love it.
So when you open it up, as standard with this company, it's a great company. I better not know actually, but you do get a standard. A Bud Light. Cracking open a common.
Dick.
With one,
Dickhead. It's all over my fucking face.
With one of the lads.
Cheers to that. That's Brady's two-man tent.
What I particularly like about it is how big and spacious it is. I feel like that's one of the main things that I like about it. Compared to that, you obviously
This is
you
my
ain't got
tent.
much room in there, have you really?
Apparently this is a two-man tent. Advertising. This is a two-man tent.
It's recommended by Jason.
Alright guys, day 2. Just woken up in the tent. Let's see what it's like outside. Beautiful day guys. I tell you what, I bet you it lasts till about 12 o'clock before it clouds over.
Yeah, because you check the weather.
Work it, Brad. Work it. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun.
just arrived at the Dancing Betty, where we're going to have some lunch. Mahalik Grave. Mahalik Fair. Looks quite nice. Long old ride, long old
Where are we,
ride.
Brad?
We've done the North York
Moors?
Moors, and we're on our way to Edinburgh, and we're in, what's the name of that little place? Forgotten it.
We're in Merton.
Merton. I was going to say Brundle then. I think we're back in Norfolk. Alright, whatever. I clearly don't know where I am. We're in Merton on the way to Edinburgh, and I'm hungry. Over and out.